Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application by tapping on the icon. In the app, tap on device, and here you should see your T-Rex 3 Pro. And under it, there should be this watch faces category. You can tap on this arrow right here to open the watch face store. And here we can browse through different categories, look for something you like. And once you find the watch face you enjoy and you want to install it, you can simply tap on it, tap on sync. It will start downloading and installing, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch like this. And you can install multiple watch faces. I believe there's a limit to it, so basically you can install up to certain amount of watch faces. Let's see. Oh, doesn't say. Usually on watches it's like 12 or 10 watch faces you can install. So if it ever tells you that you run out of the space, you can tap on delete right here and select the watch face you want to remove and then remove it. But otherwise you can install as many as you want. And that's basically all. That's how you install additional watch faces. So we can close the app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.